Good morning, students. I Neelam am here. Today I am going to teach you chapter number 6, fractions. My topic is today division of a fraction with a whole number, division of fraction with fraction, and division of mixed fraction with fraction. Okay? Division of fraction with a whole number, division of fraction with fraction, and division of a mixed fraction with a fraction. So let's start. Here, if question is 8 upon 7 divided by 6. 6 is a whole number. 6 is a whole number. So, as you know, the denominator of every whole number is 1. Denominator of every whole number is always 1. So, put 6 upon 1 here. Okay. Take reciprocal of 6. Reciprocal of 6 is 1 upon 6. Okay. Reciprocal of 6 is 1 upon 6. And you will multiply 8 upon 7 by the reciprocal of the here second fraction. Okay. That is by the reciprocal of 6. That is 1 upon 6. Or in other way, I can say that here, if you are going to divide a fraction with a whole number, this division sign is converted into multiplication. The division sign is converted into multiplication and the reciprocal of the second fraction is taken. The reciprocal of the second fraction, that is a whole number. Whole number was 6 upon 1. The reciprocal of 6 will be 1 upon 6. 1 upon 6. Now, multiply numerators with numerators. 8 into 1. 8 1 ja 8. 8 1 ja. Numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. 7 into 6. Right? 8 into 1 and 7 into 6. Okay? Now, it is 8 1 ja 8. 7 6 ja 42. 7 6 ja 42. Then, now next step is you can write this in the lowest form by taking the factors of 8. By writing the factors of 8 in the numerators and by writing the factors of 42 in the denominator. And you will simplify. Here, factors of 8 will be 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. Okay. Then factors of 42, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 3 7 ja 21. In this way. Okay. The factors of 42 will be here. I can write it here. 4 over 3 upon 7. You can take any number. Okay. Like here. Factors of 8 are 2, 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8. Then factors of 42, 2 into 3 into 7. Now simplify with the table of 2. Simplify 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2. And you are left with 2 2 ja 4 and 3 7 are 21. In this way, you will divide a fraction by a whole number. Okay. Now, next step is division of fraction with a fraction. Division of fraction with a fraction. Now, here again, write 5 upon 3. First fraction, write that as it is. And as soon as you convert this division sign into multiplication, the reciprocal of the second fraction will be taken. Reciprocal of the second fraction will be taken. Then this division sign will be converted into multiplication and you will take reciprocal of the second fraction. Reciprocal of 4 and 7. 4 upon 7 is 4 upon 7. Reciprocal of 4 upon 7 is 7 upon 4. 7 upon 4. Now, next step. In my earlier videos, I have taught you how to multiply fraction with a fraction. Just multiply numerator with numerators upon, then you will multiply denominator by denominator. 5 into 7. Multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Okay. 5 sevens are 35. Okay. 3 fours are 12. 3 fours are 12. Okay. Now, in this way, you can solve the division of fraction with a fraction. Now, next is division of a mixed fraction. As you know, this is mixed fraction. 1 whole 4 upon 7. How do we read a mixed fraction? 1 whole 4 upon 5. Okay. This is 1 whole 4 upon 5 divided by 25 upon 27. First of all, the mixed fraction will be converted into improper fraction. How do we convert? 5 ones are 5. Plus 4. 5 plus 4, 9. It is like this. 1 whole 4 upon 5 divided by 25 upon 27. Now, you will multiply 5 by 1. 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 upon denominator, you will write same. Division divided by. First of all, the steps are like this. You will convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Then this again division sign will be converted into multiplication and the reciprocal of the second fraction will be taken. Now write 9 upon 5 in place of division, multiply. As soon as you convert division sign into multiplication, the reciprocal of the second fraction is taken, not the first. Okay. Don't take the reciprocal of first, take the reciprocal of the second. This 25 upon 27 will become 27 upon 25. Okay. 27 upon 25. Now multiply numerators with numerators. 9 into 27 divided by 5 into 25. Now multiply 27 by 9. What will you get? You get here. I think this is clear to you. You can note down carefully. Now I am going to multiply numerator with numerator. 9 into 27. What is? Have you got the product? 9 into 27, it is, I can write here, 9 into 27 divided by 2 into 25. 9 7 ja 63, 6 carry, 9 2 ja 18, 18 plus 6, 24. Divided by 525 ja 125. It is 125. 125. Okay. In this way, you will divide the fractions with the whole number, fraction with fraction, and divide the mixed fraction with a fraction, or mixed fraction with a mixed fraction. Let's take one example here of mixed fraction. Okay. Division of a mixed fraction with a mixed fraction. With a mixed fraction. Okay. Now let's take example of here 2 whole 1 upon 4 divided by 3 whole 2 upon 5. Now both are mixed fractions. Convert both of the mixed fractions into improper fractions. Okay. 4 2 ja 8, 8 plus 1, 9 upon 4 divided by, now okay, first of all, when you are converting both of the mixed fraction into improper fraction, then division sign will be there. Okay, division sign will be there. But when you convert the division sign into multiplication, the reciprocal of the second fraction is taken. Then the numerator will be multiplied with numerator and denominator will be multiplied with denominators. Okay. Now 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2, 17 upon 5. Now both of the mixed fractions are converted into improper fractions. Now next step is division sign is converted into multiplication. As soon as you convert into multiplication, the reciprocal of the second fraction is taken. Second fraction का क्या लेना है हमने? Reciprocal. So reciprocal of 17 upon 5 is 5 upon 17. 5 upon 17. Now multiply numerator with numerators, denominator with denominator. Very simple. Now 9 5s are 9 5s are 9 5s are 45. Huh? 9 5s are 45 and 17 4s are 68. Okay, 68. Note down till then. Now 9 5s are 45 and 4 17s are 68. 40%. In this way, you will divide fractions, okay, and you will try practice zone 8 based on this video. Practice zone 8 of your book, My Discovering Maths. Thank you.